Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at this quarter's Crate Club. Let's check it out. Alright, so if you guys don't know, Crate Club is a quarterly subscription box that's jam-packed full of tactical and survival gear. And they offer 3 different tiers: Lieutenant, Captain, and the one that I have right here, the General. And this box is a little bit smaller than last quarter's box, but if it's just as cool as the last one, we're in for a treat. So I already cut the tape here, so let's just open it up and let's see what we got here. Alright, so right here is the Crate Club General cheat sheet. It has all the stuff that we're gonna find up in this box, and man, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just gonna grab, I don't know, say this right here. I'm gonna put this off to the side and let's check out Hot Snot Fire Lube in a tube. So it says instant fire without kindling. So it says ideal for emergency fire kits, survival kits, fire pits, campfires, all wood fires, priming stoves, barbecues, charcoal. Squeezable, burns on water or ice. Oh, that's pretty cool. Starts on damp wood, odorless, and clean burning. Let's just see what the heck this is. Yeah, it just looks like a tube of toothpaste. So obviously this would be great for camping or just in your survival kit, especially if they say it burns on water and ice. So this is actually a pretty cool first item to pull out of this box here. And now next, right here on the top of the box, I'm guessing this would go along with this Hot Snot, is the Blaze Defense fire suppression device. Check this thing out. We got a little finger loop right here. What does it say? So it says ideal for tactical fire suppression situations. The finger loop design, which orange pull tab, allows rapid deployment of the tool to be quickly used to suppress flames and mitigate the threat. It says it's non-toxic, zero hazardous chemicals, blah, 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 blah. Very, very cool. So yeah, I'm starting to see a theme starting right here. So there's not much else to go over about this except for it just puts out fire. So let's move on to Pitbull Tactical Universal Mag Carrier. So on the back here it says 1 mag carrier to fit all of your magazines. Check that out. And it looks like you can fit this on the inside or outside of your belt. So let's check this thing out. All right, so I'll give you guys a nice close-up of this universal mag carrier right here. This thing's pretty awesome. So on the back of the box it says fits any pistol magazine 9mm to 45 ACP single and double stack. Comfortably conceals inside and outside of the waistband. I see that right there. Rounds can face forwards or backwards in here. And it fits any 1.5-inch belt. No screws or adjustments needed, works right out of the box. And compact design allows you to carry multiple on your belt and save space. It looks like we have this silicone band that wraps all around this carrier here. So once again, another pretty solid find out of this box here. All right, next, what is this? So it looks like it's a Lula loader and unloader. So in the sheet here it says this is the Maglula loader and unloader for the AR-15 and M4. All right, so let's take this out of the package and let's check this out further. So got a sticker here. So it looks like this just clicks right on the top of your magazine. So checking this out, this is actually pretty cool how this works. So you can see when I push that lever back and forth, that arm right there, so you load your rounds in right there and then push it forward and loads it right into your magazine. So let me show you guys what it looks like from the bottom here. So if I press it forward, it just does that little action right there. So it looks like this would save a lot of time loading magazines and definitely save a lot of wear on your fingers. So once again, pretty nice find. All right, so next. So it looks like we have a M250 hex drive toolkit. So on the cheat sheet here it says Tactica M250. So it looks like we have some hex bits, some Phillips flathead, and some Torx bits in here. And oh yeah, check that out. So let's take this out of here, and it's a magnetic box. That's a nice touch. All right, so how the heck do you open this thing? So just push forward. Oh, there we go. Just push this forward. That's just a case. It looks like there might be a magnet right here. So yeah, check that out. So it's a magnetized case that this comes in. Put that down. Oh, cool. So here's our bits, and this must be our extender, and that's magnetized too. Holy crap, that's pretty cool. So it looks like just take that out and stick that end in right there. And let's take out a bit. Are these magnetized in here too? These might be pretty difficult to get out. Or do you just poke them through here? It's probably what they want you to do, right? Yeah, poke it through, put the extender back on there, put the bit in, and you have yourself a pretty cool little compact tool right here. And I've actually never seen gold bits like this. Check this out. They're all gold. And obviously, if you don't want to use that extender, or don't need to, the bits will fit right in to the little slot right there. So this is a pretty cool little tool. I'm always on the lookout for all-in-one compact tools like this, so I think this will work out pretty nice. And it says right here, there's 3 Phillips, 3 flatheads, 3 Allen keys, which are 3mm, 4mm, and 5mm, and 3 Torx, T10, T15, and T25. And this extender right here is 2 inches, but it also says it's TSA compliant. I'm not so sure about that, because some of these little flatheads right there look pretty sharp. These can do some damage in the wrong hands on an airplane. So they say it's TSA compliant, but try that at your own risk. It just fits right back into its case. Let's see. Yeah, it just snaps right in there, magnetized. I like it. All right, let's pull these 2 out here. Wow. Okay, so we have a couple tripwire alarms. Holy crap, man. Let's take one of these out of the bag here. Let's check this thing out. All right, so it says primarily designed to be used as a perimeter alarm for camp. These will let you know quickly if anyone or anything is entering your space. And then it says performs best with a maximum power level 2 Ramset 22 caliber blank. Emits a very loud bang when used properly, 100% steel construction. So this thing is very, very cool. Not sure if I have a use for something like this right now, but maybe sometime in the future, who knows? Let's take a look and see how this works. So got the little lever right here, so we pull up on the lever, spring loaded, and then set the trap just like that. Insert your 22 caliber cartridge right here and your trip wire right here, and when someone trips it, bam. So this is very, very cool. Like I said, I don't have a use for these right now, but these are definitely gonna go in my storage area, and kind of want to play with these a little bit. So if I do, I'll definitely make a video and let you guys know how these work out. All right, next here, looks like we have 3 tactical mag pouches. So I always have use for pouches like this. So this is awesome. It says it's available in 1 to 3 colors: black, coyote tan, or green. Looks like I have 3 black pouches here. So it looks like we have some snaps on the back here for mounting, and on the front looks like we have some shock cord and just the pouch right here. This is awesome. So it looks like it's 6 inches by 3.5 inches by 0.75 inches. So where I work, I like to carry my walkie, my Motorola CP200, right on my pocket, but I've been looking for a pouch like this to carry my radio in. And here in the cheat sheet, it says that it's good for the Blaze Defense BDS 40, which is the Blaze Defense fire suppressor right here. So let's just see how well this fits in there. And oh yeah, wrap the shock cord around there and boom. So it's actually not a bad idea to carry this fire suppressor in one of these pouches, especially when they give you 3 of them. All right, we're getting towards the end here. So this is a Sig Sauer Romeo MSR 1x20 compact red dot sight. So I'll give you guys a nice look at the bottom of the box first. And then on the side here, looks like we have all the different models, but this one is the Romeo. Then we have some of the features over here, but I'll read those off in just a second. Let's break open the stickers there, and let's check this thing out. Give you guys a nice close-up of the Sig Sauer Romeo MSR right here. So let's read some of the features here. So it says high-performance lens coating for excellent light transmission and dot contrast, ultra-compact size and weight, precise 2 MOA dot, slip-over see-through flip-backs, integral brightness control featuring 10 daytime and 2 night vision settings. So we have our settings dial for night vision and daytime right up here. Over 20,000 hours runtime on a CR1632 battery. Looks like the battery comes right here in the case. It's not inserted. So the body and the mount is made from aircraft grade aluminum and is IPX7 waterproof. And it's intended for MSRs, carbines, shotguns, and even air rifles. So this is actually really nice. So if any of you guys have used this particular model right here, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it. But I'm gonna put this away right now because the last item in this box here I'm pretty excited for, and that is the CRKT Provoke. The funny thing is, I've wanted one of these for a long time, and I just bought one like 2 months ago. And you guys have probably seen that video. It's the CRKT Provoke in Desert Tan Cerakote and I absolutely love this karambit. So if you guys don't know anything about this, it's a morphing karambit with the Hawkbill D2 blade. And then we have the finger loop right here where your forefinger goes through, and it just feels so nice in your hand when it's reverse grip like this. And it's just a smart design. We have the locking mechanism right here, so if you want to unlock this, we push back on it a little bit and you can see these arms fold up, folds right back into its resting position. And like I mentioned, this blade is made of D2 steel, but everything else is made of 6061 aluminum. But once again, if you want to see my CRKT Provoke review, I do have that up on my page, and I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check that out. But I paid about $200 for my Cerakoted Provoke. I don't think this is a Cerakoted model though. But I'll put all that information up on the screen while I'm editing. But man, is this a cool item to pull out of this box. Once again, I'm blown away by the quality of items that come in this box. I mean, if I didn't already buy the CRKT Provoke, I'd be through the roof right now finding this in this box. And let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the items that came in this quarters box. Now, if you guys want to check out the Crate Club for yourself, I will leave links below in my description box as well. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!